exploring another income stream. So just stay with us. So by the way, so I'm Emmy from California, USA. So I have my co-host here. So I have Sis Marge, and then have Sis Nemeline, and then Sis Roxanne.
Hello, everyone. Hi to our co-host, Sis Roxanne from Seattle, and Sis Nemeline from Canada. So hot Friday today. So today we're gonna, like Sis Ems has said, we're gonna be discussing all your FAQs, all those questions that you might wanna ask regarding our business online. So first things first, I'm Marge, by the way, all the way from California, USA. A regular employee and a digital business owner too at the same time. So my co-host Emmy will be discussing to you about uh, one question that is commonly asked about regarding our online business. So, Sis Ems, you might want to discuss with them your key.
So today we're gonna do like so this is probably the number one common questions like common people. So like they're starting business means yung huge risk nila. Ang tanong nila is, do I need to quit my job like to start this business? So yun yung commonly na tinatanong nila. So sa akin, I start this one when I have full time. So I'm working as a healthcare, so as a CNA, and then way back before um, taking care of my mother-in-law before, so I'm a carer. So and then juggling responsibilities with my kids. So it's kind of like sabi ko, kaya ko siguro 'to. So when I see this twine, so giving like 1 or 2 hours a day, so which is I can do. So um, planting a seed, something like that, like konting oras in a day, then training. Hindi mo naman kailangan na mag-quit ka ng job para lang dito sa online business. So, habang nagtatrabaho, trinatrabaho ko rin 'tong online business. Konting oras, tapos siyempre, everyday yan. Para ano 'to, um, binibigyan mo siya ng parang consistency sa yung online business.
Okay, for like Sis Ems have said, um, she did this online business without quitting her job. So for the rest of us too, we also started with that one. You don't need to change. You don't need to change yourself if you wanna start doing this online business. You can always work on your regular job while doing this online business as your additional stream of income. So like she's Roxanne, she's still working on her regular job too, and even Sis Namilin too. She's on her job too right now while juggling online business and our regular job and our responsibilities too. Like what Sis Ems like have said a while back. This can serve as your additional stream of income, di ba mga sis? lalong-lalo
Yes.
na ngayon, everything's going up. Gas, commodities is like leaving your paycheck, your having one stream of income is really too risky nowadays. So people should learn to we should have we should have another set we should have another stream of income aside from our 9 to 5 job, because every day yung gas, parang yung gas every day tumataas tumataas ang presyo. Like last week I just had my full tank and it just cost like $50. Ngayon nasa 60. Baka mamaya nasa 70, 80 na yung mga gas prices natin. So we really should look for we should we should really be earning another set of income aside from our regular jobs today. So for our next one is Sis Nemeline, all the way from Canada.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, sis. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm coming to you live from Ontario, Canada, and I'm Lynn. I'm also a digital business owner and still working part. Uh, yes, in addition kay sa sagot ni Sis Marge and Sis Emmy, I started this business as a side hustle too. Kasi hindi naman kailangan mag-start dahil mag-start ka na ng bagong business, kailangan mo nang iwan yung trabaho mo. My work was my bread and butter, kaya hindi biglaan na mag-start ako ng business, is iwan ko na yung trabaho ko. In addition to that. Another question is can I start this business without any business experience? Yes. Kasi hindi naman lahat may experience sa business. And based on my experience, this business is my first business. Kaya wala akong idea kung ano tong business na to. Pero dahil sa willing akong matuto, may mga training naman na video-based training at saka community support. Kaya hindi kailangan ng business background. Lahat ng kailangan tools, training system are provided. Yun, ang kailangan lang is willing kang matuto, coachable, and you're open for learning. Yan lang, sis.
Yes. Oh, so kay sis Roxanne, ang daming nagtatanong nga, ang dami talagang nagtatanong kung can we do this without prior any experiences or prior degrees, or yun ang talagang nag-i-stop sa kanila para mag venture to online business. Kasi ang alam nila, di ba mga sis, kailangan degree holder ka or kailangan may experience ka before you can start this online business. That's why we are here today live to answer this one, basing it on our experience from our business community and our experience ourselves too. Kasi starting this business, we really don't have a degree in business. So we have to go through and yung wala kang business ay wala kang degree, kung hindi ka degree holder or wala kang experience sa business, wala ka ng karapatang mag-business, hindi po totoo 'yan. Lahat po tayo may karapatan pong mag-invest into online business as long as we are willing to be as long as we are teachable and coachable. Yun po yung number one na dapat na behavior natin, is we are willing to listen and we are willing to be trained by our business community, which is the beauty of our business community, is that we have all the trainings on hand. So kahit na wala kang experience, you gonna learn along the way as you do this online business kasi may mga resources po sa business community namin na magti-train sa atin and magtuturo and mag-educate sa atin on how to run our online business. For sis Roxanne, how about you? Did you have any experiences prior to this online business?
Thank you, Sis Marge. Before that, to introduce myself, I'm Roxanne from Seattle. I'm a mom, a wife, and a property accountant by profession while doing this business on the side. I don't have prior experience. Actually, yung mga experience ko dati is mga small, small sideline that we all, kasi as an immigrant, lalo na pag Pilipino, mahilig tayo sa mga to earn extra on the side while working full time. We try to make as much as we could to provide for our family. I've tried some business before, na small business, pero the one that's missing from the other business is the community and the guidance. In this business, meron tayong global community na available 24/7. It's global. So kahit tulog yung coach natin or mentor, other business owners can assist to guide us all through our journey. And another question, typical question we encounter in this business is how soon can we start earning? How soon? It's a tough question, but kaya nga tayo nag-start mag-business kasi we want to earn extra. But but in this business, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not an overnight success. You need to dedicate some time. You need effort. You need consistency. So you need to build yourself, build skills. You need to grow as well. So hindi lang siya actual. We're not just earning income, but we're earning personal skills can help us with the mindset, with our growth and everything. When you sa simula ng na nagsimula ako, syempre lahat naman tayo kapag nag-start ng business, we all think of the return of our investment. But later on, pag nakita nyo na yung business ng itong digital business na to, mababago yung perspective nyo. Hindi lang siya from an employee mindset to a business owner mindset. There's a shift that you'll see or a change. And then, sorry, nawala ko. Yung sa simula, yung inisip lang natin is to start the income, pero later on, makikita nyo sa community na yung impact is another great benefit na makikita nyo. Hindi lang para makabago ng buhay ng pamilya natin, kundi makikita nyo rin na may mapapabago kayong buhay ng iba. Yun yung another thought ko. Thank you. Sorry.
Sige. Thank you for that, Sis Roxanne. Di ba lahat nga tayo, kaya tayo naghanap ng additional set of income aside from our 9 to 5 kasi lahat tayo naghahanap talaga. Like, reality speaking, naghahanap talaga tayo ng additional stream of income kasi nga, yung paycheck natin sa regular job natin is napupunta lahat sa bills. So, that's reality, which is true. Napupunta sa mortgage, napupunta sa sasakyan, napupunta sa utilities, lahat, food, commodities, and everything. That's why living paycheck to paycheck, naisip natin na kailangan magdagdag tayo ng income kasi hindi talaga kakasya, masasaid ka talaga. So, all of us are on that mindset nung naghahanap kami ng business online. But, nung nakita namin to, siguro hindi lang ako, malamang baka mag-a-agree din tong mga sisterets ko. nung sinimulan na namin itong online journey na 'to, we're not we're not talking about finances anymore or income anymore. Yung na-shift talaga yung perspective mo, yung mindset mo. Kasi pati yung personal development mo, yung emotional development mo, yung skills mo, nahasa. So, ang maganda sa business community na to, hindi lang yung sa income, pero yung personal development mo ay nag-grow. So that's the one thing na transform po sa mindset namin is that siguro nung una si Sis Nemilin medyo mahiyain pa yan. Pero with with the help of course of our business community nag-grow each and everyone each and
That's true.
everyone here of all of us here grow personal mental and also spiritual. So that's the beauty of our online business. So yeah, hindi lang po pera-pera yung pinag-uusapan namin dun sa loob ng business community namin, but also how to grow our personal development. So every milestone, every step, we're learning new skills. We're starting to grow little by little every day. And ang pinaka na-appreciate ko dito sa business community is the transformation of mindset. Na bago yung mindset mo from a negative mindset to a positive mindset. Pero hindi, it didn't happen overnight. It happened like every day, step by step, little by little. Growth happened, but it didn't happen to us overnight. We work on that every single day, right? Mga sis.
How's this?
So,
Tama.
pasensya na medyo na-allergy yata pala natin. Summer. Medyo nag-sudden change of climate kami dito sa
Yes.
California. So, medyo pati mga boses namin namamanas na rin. But we're still here and we want to answer all your questions about our online business. That's why we show up today. So that's the beauty of our digital business. You can always show up even if you are feeling under the weather. So
It's true.
yun ang maganda sa online pag may online business ka. So yung madagdag ko rin kay Sis Roxanne yung how soon can you start earning on this business. It depends po sa effort mo. Meron yung iba kasi we all have different timeline. Meron yung iba mabilisan, meron din yung iba it takes for them for a while, it takes for us for a while to reach our own milestone. But let me tell you one thing, if you put a lot of effort, if you put your effort into this online business, then you can see the result you are aiming for. So if you put like 20% on your business, siguro 20% din ang makikita mo na result. 30%, 30%, 50%, 50% makikita mo. But if you put 100% effort on your online business, then 100% may makikita ka rin na result. So it all depends on your effort. You have to work for it because this, sabi nga ni Sis Roxanne kanina, this is not a get rich quick na business. This business won't happen overnight. You won't get rich in this business overnight. You have to work for it. You have to work hard for it every day. So, yun po ang business namin kasi legit po itong business na to, so it doesn't happen overnight. If you work hard for it, then you can see the result that you're aiming for. So, for our online business, you have to nurture it, you have to work for it, you have to put your effort in it. Kung bara-bara po yung pag-show up mo lang sa business mo, malamang bara-bara rin po yung result na makukuha mo. So it all depends on how you gonna run your business, on how you gonna show up on your business. So doon mo makikita yung earnings mo. It depends on how you work on your business. So one of the most asked questions too, kasi total over digital naman po tayo, nasa digital era tayo. the beauty of this business is it's global. So you might be wondering if how global is this business. Our business is global, that we can always do this everywhere we are, and we can work on it. You can work on this business wherever you are. So hindi lang po local, but in other countries too. So they work on this business in other countries po. So kahit nasa ang country ka, pwede po itong business na to. So as someone working as someone working a regular job like me, it nag I've even questioned that, is it even possible to build something that reaches all over the world? Because the truth, we used to think that that wasn't for itong online business na to. Meron yung iba, maybe it's not for us, or it's not built for us. But you see, all of us here, we are all regular employees. We go to work, we have responsibilities, and we have families to take care of. So we saw people making money online, and working with people globally. So we all thought that this business is not just local, but also you can also work on this wherever you may be. So this business, the global part of this business is that as a regular employee, we were able to connect with people in different countries, in different states. As you can see, Sis Nemeling here is from Canada, and we're connecting. Kaming tatlo, iba't ibang state. Although, yeah, pareho kami ni Sis Ems nasa California, but then we're still away from each other. And Sis Roxanne is in Seattle. So we're in different states, we're in different countries, but we still connect with each other. So it's because this business is global. It's not only limited to just one place or one market. So that means that we can earn beyond our paycheck. We can tap into opportunities outside our local areas, and we're not just relying on one source of income anymore. Kasi we can do this alongside our 9 to 5 jobs. So parang yung na-mention ko kanina, with now how everything is going up right now, everything is going up, walang bumababa, pataas na po lahat. Relying on just one stream of income is too risky. It started to feel too risky for us. So we invested on this online business. So we all decided to create something extra, something that doesn't depend on our location, or on our job. And the best part of this online business is that we didn't have to figure everything out on our own, because on this online business we have the business community. We have yung na-mention nila Sis Roxanne, Sis Lynn kanina, Sis Ems. We have our step-by-step training. We have mentorship, and we already have a system already in place. So all you have to do is plug in and follow. So for someone like us with a full-time job, you can do this. Now we see things differently. Yes, we are still working on our job, but we're also building something that has no limits. It's beyond borders. So, and that part excites us the most. So before anything else, to my business partner, would you want to say something before we wrap up our go live episode? Sams?
Yeah, additional for this, so starting an online business, we know that there's a lot of questions. So for in here, hindi mo kailangan na um, Hindi mo kailangan kaagad-agad na mag-quit ka ng business mo, hindi mo kailangan na yung may experience ka kasi dito may mga support from other people. Tapos, mga different countries like Sis Roxanne says na ano to, it's from kahit tulog yung mentor mo, your coach mo, meron pa rin yung ibang mga um, business partners from other countries which can guide you. So, dito, if you're ready, so let us know. Just send us a message. So, dito naman sa business kasi, hindi mo kailangan na nagmamadali ka. So, hindi mabilisan ito. So, kasi yung iba ang gusto mag-earn. So, syempre, di ba dapat before you earn, kailangan we need to learn this skill. Alamin natin yung pasikot-sikot ng business. Kasi kung hindi natin alam, may stuck tayo. Yun yung karamihan ng mga tao na nangyayari. Kasi, kumbaga yung sabi nga nila, iniisip nila, ano to yung, ay, paano ko um, may babalik yung pera. So, mga investment, something like Sis Roxanne says. Dito, hindi po overnight success to. So, eto is kung willing kang magstay if you're totally committed dito sa online business. Kung paano mo to gagawin at kung ilang oras mo, it's up to you kung how many hours mo ito pagtutuunan. So, mostly a lot of people nakita namin sa aming community, they only put 2 to 3 hours kasi they already nag-start din sila as employee. So, yung pagkatagal nila na nagpo-put in lang sila ng 2 to 3 hours, now, nakita na nila yung bunga nung mga sacrifices nila. So, in here, talagang hindi mo kailangan ng madalian. So, just stay in the game, enjoy your journey. Like us, kami nag-enjoy kami ng journey, um, pinag-aaralan namin to, natututo kami, at lalong nadadagdagan yung knowledge namin about this.
Yeah, it takes time to build a business. Learn these
Yes.
skills first, and how you manage the business. Yung how soon you can earn it depends on your skills kasi may kanya-kanya tayong timeline din. Kung gaano ka kabilis matuto, ganun. Kung kagaya ng sinabi ni Sis Marge na kung ilang oras mong ginawa yung business, kaya nakadepende sa effort mo kung gaano ka kabilis mag-earn dito sa business. And since dahil internet ang ginagamit natin, nasa internet, kaya it's global reach siya. Lahat ng may internet connection, pwedeng mag-business.
Yep. Miss Rox?
And what I love in this business is walang quota, like any other business.
Tama.
Hindi ka
Yes.
na pressure to rush it. You can do it at your own pace, at your own time. It depende rin sa goal mo. Kasi yung iba gusto ng, but ikaw ang driver sa business na to. So up to you how you wanna drive it. Kung gusto mong i-drive a sports car, a jet, or a boat, mamangka ka ng really slow but you're enjoying it. Iba-iba kasi ang goal ng mga business owner natin. Kagaya ko, ang goal ko is more time freedom for my family. Now I have more flexibility. I can do this on the side while working full-time still. Hindi mo kailangan mag-quit right away sa trabaho mo, pero you can start small. You can build something on the side while you're enjoying that time flexibility with your family. You can start small, start messy, even with fears. I started with fears. I'm very introvert person. Mahihain ako, pero I need to do it for my family. hindi mo dapat isipin kung ano iisipin ng iba. Kasi hindi naman sila magbabayad ng bills mo. Ikaw at ikaw din. So,
True.
it's up to you. It's up to you if kung gusto mong sabihin, I wish I started sooner, or I'm so thankful that I started for my family. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, sisters. Parang yung sabi nga ni Sis Roxanne, you are the driver of your own journey. So, syempre nga, kung driver ka, may sasakyan ka, kailangan mo rin ng gas para tumakbo yung sasakyan mo. So, what we mean is, yung gas na yon na kailangan mo is the knowledge and the skills and the trainings para tumakbo yung sasakyan mo. So, just before wrapping everything else and closing our Go Live. So, to our dear viewers, thank you for spending your time with us. And to my co-host, kahit na iba't iba ang time zone natin, is we are still here showing up together for our business. So ito po yung maganda sa aming business community, because it's such global that we make time to communicate, and we make time to show up for each other for this business. So in case you're wondering what our business is all about, you can always message each and every one of us here, and we are always willing to show you all the information. If you might want to ask questions, you can always message us, and you can always look up our website, or you can always follow each and every one of us. Andyan po, nakasulat yata. Yeah, there you go. So see you again. Thank you once again. See you all on our next live episodes. And whatever you wanna ask, just drop it in the comments, and we are willing to answer all your questions the best way we can. So this is it for us today. Happy Friday, everyone. Don't forget to hydrate yourself if you are living in warm areas, because here in California right now is we're experiencing 3 digits here in SoCal. So don't forget to hydrate yourself. So this is it for us. Thank you once again. So have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and every one of you, wherever you may be. Have a safe and productive weekend ahead of you, and God bless us all, and bye-bye.
Cheers to the weekend, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.